Welcome to Foxify's Build for Success series. Our inspiration today is Grind, a coffee company in London that makes home compostable coffee pods. Their website is visually appealing and engaging. The use of high-quality images and GIF images helps to create a positive first impression. In today's video, let's build a how-to-guide landing page like their site. They are using this page to present the ways of making coffee with their coffee pods.
A theme can be considered the backbone of your store, defining its overall look, feel, and functions. We proudly present to you Zest, a solid base for your online store that is more flexible than flexibility, optimized for conversion and packed with built-in features, and especially dealt with the success of mobile commerce in mind. Your store is generated by clean code, tested and approved by Shopify. Ready to grow your business using the most beloved theme. And get support from our dedicated team. Join the mobile revolution with Zest.
Now, let's get back to building a landing page using Foxify. Since they are using fonts that are not in the Google library, I will start with uploading the custom fonts to Foxify. In the Uploaded Fonts section, I will upload the font files I have prepared. Then, I will create a regular page. There are also different template presets you can use for a quick start and inspiration. Here I will create a blank template. Give the page a name and select the page layout. Right, let's start with adding our page's title. I am using a text section. Removing the blocks from the preset that we are not going to use. Then, I will style the text by changing the font size, color, etc. For my second section, I am going to use an image with text section. Select an image as a background for the section. Add an image here. And style the text content on the right. Here I will have a heading block, a text block, and a button block. Adjust each block stylings, and also the spacing between them. Onto the guide lists section. Since every column is styled the same, I will use a multi-column section. In the multi-column grid setting, set the number of columns and adjust the column gap if needed. Since the preset has 3 columns, I will remove the one I am not using. Each column comes with an image, a heading, a text as description, and a button. Style the text and button by changing its font size, color, and spacing. It's worth noting that the customization will also be reflected automatically in your other columns of this section. Since the button style is similar to the earlier section, I will copy the style of the button I have already customized and paste it for my new button here. Then, I will update the button label and also adjust the padding left and right of it. Fine-tune the section spacing using the margin settings. Add another multi-column section with 3 columns per row this time and do the same to customize. I will remove the section header for both the 2 multi-column sections since I am not using them. You can also use the copy and paste style feature for time saving. Then, select the images for the blocks and add the content. The section later will be similar to the image with text section I customized earlier. Therefore, I will duplicate the section I have created above, and then drag the duplicated section to the bottom of my template. I will change the background image for this new section. And also the image included in it. Replace the former content, and adjust some spacing between the elements using the Styles tab. For this section, I will add some custom CSS for the image to move it a bit upward. You can add the custom CSS to any of the page elements. I am reducing a bit of the section's height here. And fine-tune the spacing between my sections. Remember to use the device selector to check and adjust how your template looks on different devices. And voila! Our template is ready. If you like our video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you won't miss any other future videos. Thank you for watching.